Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Isomac Espresso machine, and what we did to this machine was pretty much replace the steamer gauge. So that you see over here, this wasn't pretty much working, and you can definitely tell that it's not reading correctly. So already here, and as well as give the machine a tune-up, which means we replace the gasket, and you can see this is the old gasket. You can see some cracks in here, and that's really bad when you're making espresso, because that means the portafilter will start leaking around, and you won't have a good seal in there. Your gasket should be bouncy like this one, and should not pretty much break when you do this, not like this one, which you already saw that it's already broken. As well as replace the shower screen, and you can pretty much see this one has a lot of coffee in there, and it was way worse when we removed it, and pretty much, yeah, you definitely need to replace it. And now the shower, you can definitely see the streams individually, which in this one you cannot see. We also descaled the machine and pretty much backflush it as well, making sure that everything's nice and clean, and you can definitely see the steamer working perfectly fine, as the hot water, which has really good water flow. Machine is working perfectly fine. Nice, good tune-up. We usually run a shot with these kind of machines, but since the customer didn't provide a portafilter, and each portafilter is unique to each group head, well, we're just gonna show you the stream again. So, well, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.